Hey guys, it's Emily the Relentless Dreamer. I am back again with another video. Once again with the help of Blackhead Studio, who have gifted me a couple of products to show you today from their Neon Jungle range. And I am also embarrassed because this is the second time I've had to film this video because the first time I had lipstick all over my teeth and I didn't realise. So here we are. I have this box with me. I have only opened one of the products, but I'm still reasonably fresh and excited. So here we are. We have their beautiful statement black sturdy box, on the front saying Blackhead, and on the sides saying black is everything, which is just, I enjoy it. I think it's great. I think it works well, and as an alternative person, I tend to agree. Inside we have the two items. This first item, I have had a look at in my last filming session, so I'm sorry, but I am still extremely excited and going to share every bit of that excitement with you. So here is this little box that says Blackhead on it, just like the big box does. And it did come in a plastic bag and wrapped with this plastic to protect the jewelry itself. But I have since popped it in its little drawstring bag that it also comes with, that also says Blackhead on it. But these are a pair of earrings. I haven't put them in or anything yet, so I'm very excited. And they are just the most beautiful, funky, freaking awesome earrings I've seen in my life. So here we go. We've got the pair of earrings here, very statement, very gorgeous. They've got obviously the green and the blue, which is the theme of the Neon Jungle. And the best part about it, in my personal opinion, is that this current whole campaign of theirs is snake themed. So if you look closely, hopefully it comes off on camera, you can see that this, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry about my nails. I'm literally about to do them this evening. That is all really detailed like snake scales, but my favorite thing about this is that this little fixture, I guess you could call it, is actually a snake head holding on to the gem. I just don't think I can deal with that. I think that is such a cool, unique design, and the quality is good. Like, they've got that little bit of weight to it. They're not just like cheap plastic or anything. Like, it's all done really nicely. But anyway, I'm gonna put them in my ears because I want them in my ears immediately. I'm gonna take out these are the Blackhead Studio earrings that have become my new go-to. This isn't sponsored, by the way, guys. This is like, they gifted this to me, but this is 100% my opinion, my reaction. I just, their stuff is so cool. I love their brand. And so here I am. I feel very blessed and lucky to be able to share this with you. But anyway, these I'm gonna try to figure out how to open. Okay, so you just pull it apart and it comes in there. The hardest part of this is always trying to get the earring in my ear on camera with no mirror except for my viewfinder. Yes. Yes! Yes! I love it! Ah! Okay, I love that feels so secure in my ear, and I'm trying to figure out if this fits my Halloween costume for tonight. Yes! They're so cool. I love them. I love them so much. Okay, so here we go. I will link everything in the description below. You should definitely check them out. But onto the second half, which will be a completely fresh reaction because I managed to notice the lipstick on my teeth before I filmed this part. So we have the box. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed already. Again, the drawstring bag for protection. This is a necklace, so it comes in this bag, which I'm going to open and then put it on and have a whole look. And again, it comes in an extra layer of plastic which just protects it. Wowee! Oh my goodness, this is so cool. I actually can't deal. I can't deal. Holy heck, hell yeah! So, here it is. Let me just try to open it. Oh my gosh, okay, everything is very protected. There are some more layers of plastic on the more delicate fixtures themselves. How cool is this? Wowee! Again, snake themed. So we've got this snake sitting here, which is wrapped in plastic, which I'm gonna take off. Oh my gosh, the colors are just, I'm obsessed. I'm absolutely obsessed, like. Okay, and then they've got this little pendenty thing. Oh, fixture, clasp. I have to figure out how to wear this. And this is gonna be difficult, but I'm gonna get there. Which I might have to look at a picture. Which has the Blackhead Studio logo there. I don't know how to put this on. The ends, do they link up somehow? Wow, that's very cool. I've been really confused because the ends look like this. Focus on my hands. Sorry, my hands are messy. I've been doing a lot of makeup. This is the second look of makeup I've done today. And I have more to do because Halloween. But anyway, they go together just by like doing this. And then, I've never seen that before. I love it. Yeah, that was actually really easy to put on, and oh my gosh, yes. Ah, okay. I'm actually, like, so impressed. Like, look at just the colors on this. I love it so much. Like, just, this is green, and I think, does it go to blue? Yes, green and goes to the blue, and same does the snake. I think the cool design with this necklace, this chain, this beautiful piece of jewelry that I have been blessed with is that you can, like, I guess choose lots of different ways to wear it because the clasps they don't stand out. But this is how I'm wearing it and I'm obsessed with it. And I really want to do a look with this now, but I have to do Halloween makeup. I don't have any words. I'm just in such a lovely state of contentness. I think you can unclasp this bee for the blackhead, and then I think you can like unwind some of this chain, so you can, because I think I saw a photo with that as well, and then have that hanging down more. But I like it like this, so I'm gonna keep it like this. This is Blackhead Studio once again, and they're freaking incredible jewelry. I love it so much. I will link everything in the description below. Please go check their stuff out. They have such a cool range. I feel like they create things that you just don't see other places, and I find that in fashion in general, but like in jewelry, you see so many ideas and things that are just recycled, and everything that I have tried from Blackhead Studio so far is just different and unique and just designed like in a way that I haven't seen before, and I respect that, I appreciate it, I love it, and I support it. So please go check their stuff out and do the same. Look this funky, own these beautiful things. And have a happy Halloween. I don't know if I will get the chance to edit this before or after Halloween. If it's after, I hope you had a great time. If it's before, have a great time. But until next time, I guess I'll see you then. Have a beautiful day and take care. Bye.